Welcome to my fish room.
Did Grandma whistle?
Yeah, your grandma could whistle.
Good Grandpa?
I never met Grandpa.
He was your father.
Oh.
I asked Grandma.
My grandpa.
My grandma.
I met your grandpa, my father.
Could my grandma whistle?
Yes. But so could great grandma.
Could Grandpa?
Never met him.
Your father!
Oh, my father. Aaron, don't confuse your father.
Easily confused. I don't know if you should go on this TV show.
Yeah, but I'm the greatest confused. When I ask what what trials and tribulations I had to overcome, I'm just going to list you. My boy, he's been such a trial and a tribulation. Ouch!
He got hot.
Yeah, pretty much right away, too.
Yeah?
Yeah. But it's coming together, kind of.
The more layers you put on, I mean, how could it not?
It's like everything in life, son. But first, you don't succeed, pile on some more stuff. Where's that steel thingy? The hook round steel thingy.
I think you tossed it somewhere.
No. I strategically placed it somewhere. Think this will work?
It's not that hot down here, jeez.
What? I can't hear you.
I said it's not that hot down here. You're
I'm
sweating.
standing here holding the heat gun, son.
You're not pointing it at your face.
It's heating the air beside my face?
Shouldn't stand so close to it then.
Oh, son, I fly close to the flame.
Now, did you put those mushrooms in with the urchin so that I wouldn't be tempted to take a mushroom home?
Why, son, why would you suspect your father of such a heinous crime?
But if I take them home, they'll multiply.
And if I sell them, people will give me money for them, then they'll multiply, and then I'll buy them back and sell them more.
Or you can just give them to me and they'll multiply and you can just sell them instead of buying them back.
Yeah, but if I only give them half price, then I get to sell them.
And you need to get me rotifers.
There's rotifers in the fridge.
Oh, we need to take home a strainer today. You said you put one aside?
Yeah, I found one this morning even.
I should do a video on my tank tonight. No one's seen it yet.
See, I'm relying on the residual heat in the red one to melt the black one to it, and it's getting pretty hot, so it might work. See, and then what I'll do is I'm going to cover this completely in hot glue.
We don't have any.
There's a dollar store on the way home, son. Okay, so we'll leave the rest for when we drip the hot glue on. That'll seal the rest of it in. So we've got to put these fish away now.
Hold on. Hold on. There's like 80 goldfish in a bucket, so I kind of want to watch them get released.
Where's the smaller net?
Don't get water on the floor.
No, that's just a rule for you.
Oh. Thanks.
I live without rules. Hey, do we got another net? Well, yeah. Grab me a net.
I'm running the camera.
I'll run the camera. Won't be difficult, son. Okay, that's that. Okay, so close off this video and we'll see you when we put the hot glue on it. Okay?